Hey guys, welcome back again. So guys, today I am here with another trick. Today I am going to show you about ChatGPT. It is a chat bot. It is like you have to, like, whatever doubt you have, if you face any difficulty, if you face any kind of error. So if you want to see the solution, like previously, you may be, if coding guys might be familiar with the Stack Overflow. It is similar kind of platform, but it is like most powerful than that. You can compare it. Some people are making videos on YouTube, like they are comparing it with Google also. They are saying like it may replace Google also, but I don't think it will do that, because we have a lot more functionality in Google. But it is definitely going to be helpful for coding community or any educational purpose questions, and any other questions also. It is going to be like very powerful and very helpful. It may replace, it may like bring down the market of Stackflow. I am sure about that. Okay, let me show that. The software, the chatbot that is here is like OpenGPT. All you have to do is, like, if you want to see, if you want to practice it, all you have to do is just go on Google and search for ChatGPT. You have to log in there, and this kind of interface will come in front of you. After that, whatever questions you will like search, you will get the complete solution for for that code, for that snippet, including explanation. For an example, let me show you, Fibonacci in Python. It is very simple questions. All you if you search it on Google, Stack Overflow will definitely come up with the answer. But here also you can see it is like giving you the most robust solution, the most optimized solutions for calculating the Fibonacci series. You can see this is the complete solutions with explanation also. It is generating this code by itself. All you have to do is, like, you have to submit your question, that's it. Now what you have to do is, like, you have to copy this code and paste on your code editor, and you are good to go. Like, you will see, like, the program is completely ready. But for this, it is very important to be skillful. Like, if you want to search your code in Python, all you like your coding skills should be good enough to understand the code, so that you can manipulate these answers, you can manipulate these programs, and use it on your daily use. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you. This is not used for only for programming. You can, like, search any kind of questions. It will be like GK questions, mathematics, science questions, all type of questions you will search. It is similar to Google. Like, whatever doubts you have, you are going to, like, search it on Google, and you will get answers. But there you may have several options, like several list of several solutions, and you have to search optimized one by yourself. But here, when you search something, the best one, the optimized one will come up to you. It is like save your time as well. Like, instead of just extracting the important one, you will get this one, and you can use it accordingly. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.